Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to generate AI images for free. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, go to your web browser, then search for AI Write.io. Now tap on the first link. Here you will see this kind of page. Now let's wait for this to load. So now just tap on Login. Now tap on Continue with Google. So now we have Login and tap on Start. Here you will see this type on interface. You can generate any kind of image using various models and avatars. I will tap on Use this model. Then enter the prompt, like this. For example, I will like to generate an image of a girl flowing with open hair. Now toggle on this advanced mode, so that you can generate image of various aspect ratios and use different type of styles. After setting this up, tap on Generate. It will take few minutes to generate the image. Now when your image is ready and you want to download it, hold the image for a few seconds. Then you will see this drop-down menu. Now I want to save this photo to my gallery, so I will tap on this option. Now let's go to Photos to check whether it is downloaded or not. I will close web browser and open the Photos app. As you can see, my AI-generated image is present here. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.